Good morning, you guys, and welcome to another video. It is day 3 of our road trip, but day 2 of being in Eilat. Today is my birthday. I am turning 24 today, so I am getting old.
Hi, I'm Casey, originally from South Africa. I'm currently living in the unique country of Israel. In the previous 2 episodes, we spent some time at the Dead Sea and then went snorkeling with the dolphins in the city of Eilat. Follow the adventure in southern Israel.
As you can see, my face is drenched in sweat. It is so hot down here. It's currently sitting at 34 degrees Celsius, which I think is about like 90 something, probably the high 90s in Fahrenheit. Yeah, we are about to head out into the desert, so it's probably going to get a bit hotter. But yeah, I'm going to be trying to show you some of the little hidden gems that lie around the city of Eilat. But first, we need to refill on some gas.
The big one. Ouch. How do you open? סליחה אחי, אתה יודע איפה אני פותח את המפי של הדלק ולפי את שומעת מאוד?
That's so funny. Because I pushed it and it didn't open.
השם לך.
When we're thankful that we managed to get a little baby SUV instead of a small car.
Okay.
Like off-roading.
I'm not going on there.
We have just arrived at hidden Lake Timna, which is right next to Timna Park. It is this most beautiful lake with multicolors that is believed to have been an old copper mine. We have come to this beautiful, relaxing little beach bar place called Mosh, and we're sitting overlooking the Red Sea and the Jordan Mountains. We've had a little something to eat. Just taking in the relaxation of turning 24. Excuse the bright red eyes. I decided it would be a good idea to put my face underwater in the Red Sea. So, yeah. We're all dressed up and ready to go. We're gonna go and find some dinner. I have really been craving a piece of steak since I came to Israel, and I find that it's been really expensive. So I thought, you only turn 24 once, let's go find ourselves a nice piece of steak. We're now late. The two girls are ready. We're just waiting for the guy to finish getting ready. And he's ready. We somehow managed to make a dinner reservation at a restaurant that was closed. So now we're gonna go and find a different one.
Arba, Hamesh, Shesh, Sheva, Shmone. I counted to 9 from 5, 8 from 5.
This is what living as an expat in Israel does to you. Alrighty, I'm gonna end the video here. But yeah, we had a fantastic dinner. If you are in Eilat and are looking for a good steak, please check out that place. I think she's locked in the bathroom. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Good night. It's unfortunately time to leave Eilat now. I'm so excited. I haven't actually seen like proper desert sand dunes yet. And we're driving right next to Egypt. We are standing at the top of the Maktesh Ramon. And we've just hit the traffic coming back into Tel Aviv.